Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI, and I have found the perfect cloth for removing makeup without using any harsh chemicals. So I've always been a disposable makeup cloth person, and then I stumbled upon these little reusable, super soft microfiber cloths, and I haven't looked back. They're very effective at removing all kinds of makeup from my skin, whether it's waterproof mascara, foundation, everything comes off without any harsh chemicals or pulling or tugging. I love these because they're small enough for me to take with me on trips. They don't take up a lot of space, and also really easy to keep clean and wash. I just throw them in the washing machine. I'm always blown away by how quickly and easily I'm able to remove makeup from my skin with just water. Now you could also easily add a cleanser to this little cloth if you wanted to, but if you didn't have anything, it's like a miracle. It takes everything off your skin, leaving nothing behind, which is exactly what you want in a makeup removing cloth. So I couldn't be happier with these little makeup removing microfiber cloths with just a little bit of water, and if I want to add cleanser, I can. It's really entirely up to you, but it's very effective at removing my makeup. I am very pleased with them, also because they're reusable. And that is my point of view.